Hello friends, I want to show you how to make withdrawal from ADK account. So if you've not joined this is what we call reverse betting system. A lot of people are making crazy money here. So if you have gathered, some people will be asking when do we make withdrawal, how do we make withdrawal? Number one, you need to know you can make withdrawal 5 times in a day. Withdrawal is every day, Monday to Sunday, every moment of the day. Even if in the midnight you can withdraw money. Then one thing again about withdrawal here is that once you make withdrawal in the next 5 minutes or so less, you're going to have your money. And also the withdrawal, minimum withdrawal is only 1,000 naira. So this is all you want to know about withdrawing. So I'm going to show you here now. I just reserved this because I want to use it to show you how to make withdrawal. And this is 2,135. Now if you want to make withdrawal, either you go through the home page and click on this withdrawal, or you can as well go to the page on me. You can see that me page I just clicked on now. You still click on withdrawal. Anyone will take you to the place. Now remember, when you are signing up, the signing up process is there. You can't go through that for finalizing everything. You were able to bind a particular bank account. Yes, and that's what the system is going, except you want to add more, because you can still add more. It's very possible, so that in case at any time you want to withdraw to another one, you can do that. Now if you are adding up, when you added up the account, a bank account, that's what you're going to use. And remember also that apart from your main login password, there was a password the system asked you to create when you were also doing that. So that's exactly, when it comes to withdrawal, that's the password you're going to use right now. So let's try this. I'm going to click on withdrawal. Now this is not my account. It's an open account. It's share written. So I'm going to put the amount. The system charges 9% of any withdrawal. That's another thing I want to tell you about withdrawal. So I said I want all. I might decide to put all, everything that is here. So if I am to withdraw all, because of 9% fee, I'll be receiving 1943 or thereabouts. Do you understand? That's exactly what I'll be receiving. And I go ahead and say there's no problem. Now put your wallet password. Please do that. Now I've done that. You can see I've made this withdrawal. And even though they made some, put some, they made a statement, just follow this, the prompts and do what. So once you confirm it, you're going to have this. So this is exactly what I did. This is the fee. So the balance is there. It's still pending review. That review means it's a process. It's being processed. In the next less than 5 minutes time, it's going to get there. So I'm going to show you exactly once it's coming. In the next few minutes, you're going to see it, so that you confirm that this is true and it's working. Now instantly, just within the same period, it's not even up to 1 minute. Look at it. You are reaching success. Remember what it was, 19 plus, because they removed 192. Please pay attention. Let me go to my OPay and see. Just look at it. No story, no joke. Look at it. Exactly 1943. That was what just happened now. Not up to 1 minute. Has landed. So this is exactly how this stuff works. You can see it's very easy. Very easy. Please don't forget that particular wallet password is different from your login password, because you need it to do this. Instantly it has happened. That's fantastic. How fantastic it is. So if you are watching this video now and you're not part of ADK, it's a global thing. Anywhere in the world you can join. Please contact me right now and join, or you can click on the link you see in this video description. Join. If you have a question on how to deposit or whatever and start, please contact me on my WhatsApp. I'm going to drop my WhatsApp number. Quickly do that, so that I will guide you. You start immediately. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to share this video. I wish you the best. Thanks for watching.